What's up, YouTube? Here are the trades made this week. New stocks to watch, also potential exit strategies for this trading week ahead. Now, I am not a financial expert nor advisor. Take this as merely my own personal opinion on said stocks or any other nonsense that I say. Think of it like adding salt to a wound. It may hurt, it may not. If you like or find any of this content useful or entertaining, go like and subscribe. Now, let's get into the plays. First play of the week was Bank of America. I grabbed 66 shares at an average cost of $37.56. I am currently up $80 on Bank of America. I'm going to hold on to Bank of America for long term, especially seeing how they are allowed to buy back and allow dividends. I believe Bank of America will reach $42. My next stock was Fuel Cell. Before I even started trading stocks, I actually knew a Fuel Cell, being in the automotive industry. The other stock I want to talk about was Palantir. I grabbed Palantir, 26 shares at an average cost of $22.55. I grabbed Palantir at a pretty good low price. Hopefully it'll bounce up. Remember now, I've only been trading for about 2 weeks here now, so I don't know a whole lot about it. I just know Palantir has always been a big military contract in the past. Plus, Kathy Wood's picking up a bunch of them. You know how that bitch is. She likes to pick up disruptive stuff that always seems to run up amok. They just recently bought 1.2 million shares. Next stock I want to show was GameStop. I grabbed 6.2 shares at an average cost of $172. This is merely a hype play with the expectations of Reddit and other retards, and myself included, to add this stock to their portfolio. And I mean, if they go e-commerce, it can go to the moon. I also picked up a little bit of AMC and Tops and Future FinTech. I'm gonna be adding Discovery, Visa, and most likely ChargePoint or Skills. Visa had a nice little drop. Same with Discovery. Discovery came back quite a bit. I'm definitely going to pick up some Discovery first thing in the morning. Well, that'll be it.